Good evening. This is week 7, and this is our video of the article Parasites and Microbiota and their dual interactions and therapeutic perspectives. In this video, I will be explaining my summarization of the article as well as how I feel that an article that I found, which is Parasites, how they promote protective microbiota and how they kind of coincide. So let's get started. The article, Parasites and Microbiota, Interactions in the Dual Therapeutic Perspective, actually explores the complex interactions between parasites and microbiota and within the host immune system. In the host organism. The person. My lentil words are not my friend today. It discusses how these interactions can influence both the pathogenesis and the parasitic disease and the composition of the host microbiota. The article also considers the potential, it considers the potential therapeutic application in the understanding of the interactions. Understanding these interactions, which is really crucial for developing effective strategies against parasitic infections, and some key terms from this article include the dual interactions, impact of pathogenesis, therapeutic potential, and the host micro environment. So for the dual interactions, the parasites and microbiota engage in a complex bidirectional interactions. The parasites can alter the composition of the function of the gut microbiota, while the microbiota can also influence the establishment, which is the survival and the virulence of the parasites. The impact of pathogenesis, these interactions can affect the development and severity of the parasitic disease, which changes in the microbiota induced by the parasites and can either exacerbate or mitigate the infection. And then the therapeutic potential, the understanding of the interplay between the parasites and microbiota can lead to new therapeutic strategies for parasites, infections for both the adaptive and the really innate immune system of the host. And then finally, we have the host, let me go back and redid that. The therapeutic potential, the interplay between the parasites and microbiota can lead to therapeutic strategies for parasites, potentially involving the use of probiotics and other interventions to modulate the microbiota. Now, finally, the host microenvironment. And this is where I had stumbled up. I was like, wait, I'm going too fast. The interactions between parasites and microbiota within the gastrointestinal and microenvironment can affect both the adaptive and immune response of the host. So to kind of coincide with that, the article Parasites Promote Protective Microbiota. The protective microbiota can enhance host tolerance to parasites, improving the survival after infection. The microbiota, the community of microorganisms, interacts with parasites, affecting their survival, reproduction, and disease-causing potential. First, we will be talking about the microbiota and how it reduces the host immune system's needs to fight the parasites, which is supporting the microbiota colonization. The microbiota can alter the host-parasite interaction, so it's preventing the parasite's colonization or causing diabiasis, which can worsen the disease severity, so making either worse than what it could be potentially. And then the understanding of these interactions can also lead to new disease control strategies, which is great. And then that also will lead into the microbiota's role, which the protective microbiota can reduce the parasitic survival, reproduction, and response to and disease-causing ability. But the host interactions, the microbiota can prevent parasites' colonization and influence the host immune responses to parasites. So in conclusion to both of these, Parasites infections remain a significant global health concern, kind of affecting billions of people worldwide. These interactions are caused by various types of parasites, including the protozoa, worms or hemoliths, if I'm saying that properly, and the ectoparasites. Understanding these interactive relationships between parasites and host, the microbiota, it is crucial for developing the effective prevention and treatment strategies. And there you have it. And I will attach my resources also at the bottom. Have a great one.